Greetings and good day. Donnie with Tech Winner here, helping you feel confident in your tech purchases. Ring has been teasing this new product, an indoor drone cam, for over a year, known as the Ring Always Home Cam. And guys, it's finally here. Sort of. What do I mean by that? Let's dive in and let's take a look. It's been over a year since Ring originally announced the indoor drone cam, also known as the Ring Always Home Cam. This is an interesting new product by Ring. We've known them for many years now as the doorbell company. Some people may remember seeing Ring as early as their appearance on Shark Tank when they first originally announced the doorbell, which Ring really did a good job of inventing the doorbell space, and they're looking to try to do that again in a new space, indoor drone cams. Something that I love about this product is that it essentially works as a sentry that walks around your house, flies around your house, not really walking, it's flying, when you're not home. The video quality on this will be 1440 by 1440, which is very much in line with the new Ring Doorbell Pro 2. You'll also notice that those numbers are the same, which means that this will be a square image. And as you can see in some of this promotional footage, it's very much widescreen, it's very high quality, so I'm not sure what that's going to look like on the finished product, but I'm very curious to see how this plays out. I like that Ring shows here that you can actually program this by flying it around the house, by holding it and carrying it through your home. Ring shows that you can get up to 50 different programmable flight paths for this device. One of the things they do talk about on the website is that those flight paths are completely pre-programmable, and once they start, it will continue down that flight path until it returns back to its base station. And right now, I don't know if it's battery that's the limitation, but they are saying that these flights will be up to 5 minutes, which actually for a drone is not bad at all. I like the example in their own video of a couple that's arguing over if they forgot something at home or didn't, and they're actually pull up the drone and they fly it to the kitchen, and sure enough, the guy forgot the stuff. It's always the guy who forgets the stuff. But I like that that's another potential use case for something like this. Ring says that this product will be $249 at sale. But right now, this product is only available exclusively by invitation at Amazon.com. So right now you can request an invitation to receive the Ring Always Home Cam. I did fill out the invitation. It asks some simple questions such as, how many Ring products do you have right now? Do you have multiple different types of floors within your home? How large is the floor from square footage wise? Do you have any pets? Some very basic questions there, I think, to help them be able to dial in on what those ideal candidates are for this first wave. It's important to keep in mind here that this first group of people that will own this product are going to be some beta testers. I imagine Ring has been testing this internally now for over a year since they initially announced it, and now basically they're widening that ring to some beta testers of just some of us normal folks. So guys, time and time again with the doorbell cams, the spotlights, the floodlights, the stick-up cams, the alarm system itself, we've continued to see, as new software updates come out, improvements to features. So I would fully expect something like that with this product as well. I do like that they say if a contact sensor, like a door opening or a motion sensor, is triggered with your alarm system, it will actually fly to that area and be able to give you a live view of what's going on right there. Ring does a really good job with their motion sensors on the alarm system of not seeing pets. I'm curious to see if that spills over into this drone as well. One downside here is that the drone can only stay on one floor of your home. So if you do have multiple floors, it is programmed to only stay on one floor. If you wanted to have multiple floors, you'd be looking at getting multiple cams with multiple base stations for them to be able to land in and recharge. Guys, I've been very apprehensive about getting indoor cams in my home. I just don't like the idea of a camera that's sitting there 24/7, potentially monitoring the inside of my home just from a privacy concern. But what I like about this one is that if it's sitting in the base station, the camera's completely off, it's covered up, there's nothing there. This is something that would only be in a sentry mode flying around the home on an as-needed basis when my alarm is actually set to away. So guys, I've submitted my request to be on the waiting list for this. We'll see what happens. If Ring does approve me, I look forward to doing an unboxing with you guys and walking through this entire setup step by step and giving you my fair, honest assessment of what this product looks like. Also important to note that right now this product is only going to be available in the United States. I don't know if there's going to be laws and limitations that allow or don't allow this in other countries, but at least here for this initial beta test that is request only again, it is only going to be available in the United States. So again, guys, as someone who's been apprehensive about putting cameras inside his home, I'm actually excited about this product. What Ring was able to do in the doorbell space, and then now we see all these different companies doing something similar. Guys, I see them as a pioneer right here. I think in several years, it's going to be like Minority Report. We're going to have drones flying around our house for people who feel comfortable with that. And guys, I look at other examples where, several years ago, for someone to have large Bluetooth buds that are hanging under their ears was considered very culturally and socially strange. But guys, I just recently traveled and everyone had AirPods in their ears. It is a very culturally accepted thing now. So I think we are going to see over the next few years a similar transition where people get more and more comfortable with drones that are guarding their homes when they're not there. Plus the idea of being able to check in on pets while you're not at home and just make sure that they're doing okay. And yes, I know that there are pet cams that are out there that do something like that, but to have something like this that could follow and be able to check in on a pet no matter where they are in your home is something that I could see being a big benefit. So guys, that's it right now for the Ring Always Home Cam. Yes, the drone cam. Guys, I'm excited about this product. I'm looking forward to being able to test it for myself and give you guys honest feedback on what it looks like. So what about you? Are you going to be requesting that you become part of the Day One group as well on Amazon? If so, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button as well. I plan to continue to create more videos in the days ahead, not just Ring products either. So if you've got some suggestions, other things that you'd like to hear about, tell me about it in the comments and I'll be happy to take a look. But that's it for now, guys. I'm Donnie with Tech Winner. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.